deep conditioning for extremely damaged, dry, color-treated hair. Hello and welcome to my channel. Do you color, bleach, or style your hair with heating tools? Then you would know what all these things do to your hair. All this coloring and bleaching is very harmful to your hair. It makes hair dull, extremely dry, and damaged. This results in frizzy and rough hair. Using heating tools very often also destroys hair strands and strips them off from the oil. I will show you today how you can deep condition your hair and cancel all the damaging effects that make your hair rough, frizzy, and damaged. Your hair will become soft and shiny and beautiful after every use. So let's start. You have to use here your regular conditioner that you use. Take a bowl and add a good quantity of conditioner, about 6 to 8 tablespoons, more if you have very long hair. Then add the same quantity of aloe vera gel to it. Use fresh aloe vera gel, but if you don't have it, you can also use the ready gel available in markets. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of coconut milk to it. If you have bleached your hair, then you should use 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, and even more. Mix it all up. Wash your hair as normal and towel dry it. Now comb your hair properly to remove all the tangles. This will help in uniform application of the conditioner. After nicely combing your hair, start applying the conditioner starting from the ends of the hair. Coconut milk has excellent moisturizing properties and is particularly beneficial for restoring dry, damaged, and brittle hair, as well as split ends. It adds volume to your hair, makes it less greasy, and promotes longer, thicker hair with that shine you've always wanted. Ends of the hair are the driest. Then gradually work your hands up and cover the entire length of the hair. Aloe vera gel acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Do not apply this conditioner to your roots as it contains the conditioner that has chemicals in it. When your entire hair is covered, tie it up in a loose bun. Wet a towel in hot water, wring it, and then cover your hair with it. Then use your hair dryer and heat the towel with it. Using a hot towel can have a good nourishing effect. This is particularly beneficial for restoring dry, damaged, and brittle hair, as well as split ends. Lauric acid in coconut is a long-chain, medium-chain fatty acid, and it's known for its ability to penetrate hair easily and help strengthen the cuticle. It also has a high protein profile that can potentially keep your hair strong. Leave your hair like this for 20 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. You will notice your rough, damaged, and frizzy hair will be transformed into soft, silky, and shiny. Do this whenever you wash your hair. You will see that this deep conditioning routine will remove the damage done to your hair and make it soft. Also, you need to trim your hair a little every month or 2 months. I hope you liked my video. Share it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!